Got a grad this year? Congratulate them by making this fun lantern in the colors your grad will be wearing. Got a whole bunch for the class? Got a whole bunch for a party. These lanterns look awesome when lighted with a flameless votive inside. And if you're not too close to your grad, well, simply fold this flat and send it to them. I'm Suzanne, and I'm a calligrapher, bookbinder, and designer in the craft industry, and I'm here to show you how to make this cute little lantern, perfect for any grad. So after you've cut out all the pieces, lay them out so you'll see where they go and that everything fits nicely. Then grab your supplies. You're going to want a ruler, a bone folder. Tweezers are really handy, and different kinds of adhesive because they work well in different jobs. We're going to start with making the box that is the lantern. So we're going to flip it over and we're going to start folding the side folds. And we're going to use a bone folder to burnish those down. And then we're going to use our ruler and line that up along the scored fold line. And we're going to go underneath the project and we're going to roll that paper up against the edge of the ruler. And then we're going to fold it down and again burnish that fold line. Go ahead and repeat that for the other side folds. Once we've done the sides, we're going to fold up the bottom and the tops. And don't forget that little diagonal fold there, and it's actually reversed from being folded up. And the same with this one. And you've got two of those, so don't forget to fold that one up too. Okay, let's flatten that out a little bit. The next thing we're going to do is adhere the vellum panels. And that's going to be on the inside of the box. Now I just used 4 glue dots at the corners of each of the vellum panels. If you want to use more adhesive, that's just fine. Just make sure it doesn't show through the design that's cut out. Now we're going to flip the box over and we're going to add the elements that are the decoration on the outside. So the tops of the mortar boards and the little tassels. And we can glue those down. Now, when it comes to gluing on the tassel, I like to use some wet glue, just a little dab on some release paper, and then I can hold the tassel with my tweezers and just dab some glue on the back of the tassel and position it in place. When you position the tassel, just make sure it hangs straight down. Otherwise, it'll look like it's having a party. And now it's time to form the lantern. So we're going to put some adhesive on the tab on the side of the lantern. Then fold it up and the sides should match perfectly. Just check the score lines at the bottom and top and that they line perfectly. Now we have to assemble the bottom so that it will fold flat. So we're going to add some adhesive just to that piece right there, that little diagonal. And then we're going to open it up and we're going to put down its neighboring flap and we're going to align it just like that. And then you can push it up inside to give it additional pressure on the adhesive. And then repeat with the other side. And once you've got that glued down, you can push the whole bottom up inside. And then reform the box, and the bottom will kind of pop and lock in place. And if you want to flatten it again, you just push down like that. And that is how you can mail it. And then it'll open up again. How cool is that? The last step in your lantern is to fold the top together and take those little hooks and put them in the little holes in the side. And there's your lantern, all ready to go. And there it is flat. So I hope you've enjoyed this little project. I love making these lanterns. Thanks for joining me. If you like these video tutorials, please subscribe to my channel and hit all notifications so you know when something new has come up. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again next time. Happy cutting. Bye.